How to fix battery drain on iOS 27. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix battery drain on iOS 27. So let's get started. So the first issue that your battery drains very fast is your battery health. So you're going to go to settings and click on battery over here. Then you're going to scroll down and click on battery health. So right now it says normal, but if your battery health is less than 80, then your phone will be on service. Then that means that you have to change your battery and your battery will drain much faster. So you gotta see your battery health. Right now it's normal. So make sure that your battery health is normal and not on service. And the next thing that can drain your battery is that when you come back here, you gotta click on view all battery usage. You're going to scroll down and you'll be able to see all of the apps that drain your battery. So if there is any suspicious application or any application that you don't really use and that's draining a suspicious amount of battery, so you can simply uninstall that application or disable it from the settings. So once you have done so, that will significantly fix your battery draining problem. And also you're going to go back and go to the top and you'll be able to see option of high brightness. So high display brightness consumes large amount of energy. So you can see that my brightness is a bit higher. So you can simply reduce your brightness in order to fix the battery drainage issue. And also, if you have other stuff enabled, such as raise to awake or some other things that require much battery, you gotta simply toggle them off as well. That will help fix battery drainage issue. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.